Good morning children. Welcome back to the biology class. Today we are going to learn the 7th chapter respiration in plants. What is respiration? You all know that one. In elementary classes you learned that one. What is respiration? Respiration is breathing in oxygen and releasing out of carbon dioxide. Yes or no? But here in this chapter we can learn what is respiration. Clearly we can learn in this chapter. What is respiration? Respiration is an oxidation of food into carbon dioxide, water and energy. It can be summarized in an equation. Food is nothing but glucose. That glucose can be combined with oxygen, and by combining with oxygen it is converted into carbon dioxide, or it can be breakdown into carbon dioxide, water and energy. In a chemical equation, if you can see, means C6H12O6, one molecule of glucose can be combined with 6 molecules of oxygen, and it can be breakdown into 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water and some amount of energy in the form of ATP. ATP energy will be liberated in the process of respiration. That energy only we can utilize for all living activities. And types of respiration. Basing on the presence and absence of oxygen, respiration has been divided into 2 types. The first one is aerobic respiration and the second one is anaerobic respiration. First one is aerobic respiration, second one is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. Okay, we can see the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration can be occurs in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Then second one, this aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration will be occurs in the 2 processes, and the names of those 2 processes is, the first process is called as glycolysis and second process is called as Krebs cycle. What the changes will be occurs in those 2 processes? We can see. First process, in glycolysis process, glucose will be breakdown into pyruvic acid. That's why it is called as glycolysis. Breakdown of glucose is called as glycolysis. The first step is glucose can be breakdown into pyruvic acid, and that process is called as glycolysis. And second process, what is the pyruvic acid found in the first process can be converted into carbon dioxide, water and ATP energy. That second process is called as Krebs cycle. These 2 processes occurs in aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration also glucose will be glycolized into pyruvic acid, and the pyruvic acid will be converted into carbon dioxide, water and ATP in Krebs cycle. Okay, those are the 2 processes. Same processes will be occurs in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration, but the energy levels will be different. More energy will be liberated in the aerobic respiration, whereas less energy will be liberated in the anaerobic respiration. Why? Because means glycolysis is a process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell, and Krebs cycle occurs in the mitochondria of the cell. That's why mitochondria can be able to store more energy. That's why mitochondria can aerobic respiration can produce more amount of energy. Whereas in anaerobic respiration, both glycolysis and Krebs cycle occurs only in cytoplasm. There is no involvement of mitochondria. That's why less amount of energy will be liberated in the anaerobic respiration. Okay, these are the differences between both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Did you understood, children? Now we can go into the next process, fermentation. Fermentation is one type of anaerobic respiration. In that process can be used for the preparation of different types of alcohols and acids. Fermentation. Fermentation is a process of or preparation of alcohols with the help of microorganisms like bacteria and yeast. In the absence of oxygen, they can be used the microorganisms like bacteria and yeast for the preparation of different alcoholic liquids. That process is called as fermentation. Then, okay, what are the different types of respiratory organs present in the plant for exchange of gases? Why? Because we are learning in this chapter respiration in plants. Okay, these are the processes and the types of respiration, and this respiration process can be occurred in the plant by using different organs. Okay, in humans, how the respiratory organs are present, like that only in plants also some of the parts are present. Those can be helps in the exchanging of gases. What are those parts? See here. First one is stomata. Stomata are the small holes, tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Those can be helps in exchanging of gases, taking of oxygen inside and releasing of carbon dioxide outside in the process of respiration. Whereas in the process of photosynthesis, what is the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere will be taken inside and oxygen will be liberated. That vice versa will be occurs in the stomata. Then second type of respiratory organs are lenticels. Lenticels are the respiratory organs present in the bark of the plant cell or woody parts of the plant cell. The lenticels are present. They can be helps in the exchanging of gases. And like that only pneumatophores. Pneumatophores, the third type of respiratory organs are pneumatophores, and those pneumatophores are also called as breathing pores. Those breathing pores are pneumatophores are present in the plant. Which of the plants are present in the waterlogged soils where the water will be stagnated? In that places where the plants are present, those plants are unable to breathe properly. Why? Because water cannot be allows the oxygen inside. That's why those can adopt some from the roots. They can adopt some needle-like structures. Those needle-like structures are called as pneumatophores. They can be emerged out about to the soil or about to the water surface. By emerging out, they can be absorbs the oxygen inside and releases the carbon dioxide outside. Like that, exchanging of gases will be occurs in the waterlogged plants. Example are mangrove plants. Those are present near to the seashores. Like that, stomata, lenticels and pneumatophores are the breathing organs present in the plant for exchanging of gases, taking of oxygen inside and releasing of carbon dioxide outside. Okay, that's it children. This is the 7th chapter, respiration in plants. And did you understood children? I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Learn it well and prepare the notes. Thank you.